Pine Glen, which is beautiful too.
There's a, what do you mean trail? There's a trailhead at the back over here, but I don't think we could ride the motorcycles on that trailhead.
There's motorcycle
tracks
all through it. We walked it way deep. It's called.
You mean back over here?
Yeah.
Oh, then that's all we got to do.
It's a blue.
For the record, guys, it's snowing. What's the date?
May 20 something.
May 23rd?
A bunch of different.
Roshi, way to go. You all set up?
I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go and get muddy.
Good trip, guys.
Great trip. Great trip. Ah, break.